Hi guys, 99 Reasons Why, once again. Welcome to my channel. Today we have something totally unique and interesting. The Woojer vest. This is a vest that you wear that gives you powerful haptic feedbacks from listening to audio or playing games. Example, listening to R&B tunes or playing PS5 games. Like Doom. This gives you an immersive feeling. It's just something you need to experience to understand. It is just mind-blowing. However, after spending a month playing different tunes while wearing it, and playing different games on my PS5, at the end of this review you will know my thoughts of the Woojer vest. Stay tuned. Let's start by unboxing. The packaging just looks solid and well made. The design and the construction is next to none. The vest itself feels and looks supreme. The stitching looks premium as well, and overall a very good feel. The main circular control enables users to increase or decrease the haptic feedback and adjusting the volume in your headset. Down to reduce or up to increase feedback. The plus and minus controls the volume. And the power button is in the middle. There are 6 haptic discs in total, 2 on the back, 2 on the lower front, and 2 on the straps. These then wrap around your body as you fasten the straps in place while wearing it. The strap, as you can see, latch securely. Other accessories included in the box are the 3.5 jack, the USB to USB-C cable, different country mains plug adapter heads, and the mains Woojer fast charger, and the manual, which I must say is well made. To connect your Woojer to your mobile via Bluetooth, press the power button and keep holding it till it starts to flash blue and red. Then open up settings on your mobile phone and select Woojer vest. Your Woojer vest has now been paired. The easiest way to have everything set up is to connect your headphones to your Woojer's headphones jack through a 3.5 aux cable, and then connect your Woojer to your mobile phone via Bluetooth, or to a PS5 using the PS5 DualSense controller through the provided 3.5 aux cable. Make sure to go on your audio settings on your PS5 and set both the audio input device and audio output device to your Woojer. I recommend adjusting the volume of your audio input to a lower level to avoid any feedback. The audio output, however, must be at max. To experience the Woojer vest's awesome haptic feedback, I played 3 PS5 games wearing the Woojer vest: Ratchet & Clank, Uncharted Legacy of Thieves, and Doom. Let's start with Ratchet & Clank. You just have to wear the Woojer vest to feel the game. Every roar from the monster, every vibration, every jump, and be felt. It's just indescribable. I will definitely rate the haptic feedback felt as 4 out of 5. Let's move to the next game. Doom. This is by far the scariest and most felt haptic feedback out of the 3 PS5 games I tested. It just gives you an immersive feeling of being in the game. You can even feel the zombies creeping by you. I almost can't play the Zoom game without the Woojer vest anymore. It's incredible. Even the rebound effect of the gun can be felt. I will definitely rate the haptic feedback as 5 out of 5. The next game was Uncharted. This was the beginning of the game, and immediately I could feel the lightning and thunders. And even as the boat was hitting the waves, another amazing experience indeed. You could almost forget you are wearing a vest. That's the beauty of the Woojer vest. I will definitely rate the haptic feedback felt as 4 out of 5. Next, let's test the haptic feedback from music. After testing many tunes from my iTunes, it became clear that only heavy bass tunes were worth listening to, as you could feel the bass literally. It was like standing next to a speaker in a nightclub. Tunes like love songs or jazz was not worth wearing the vest, as you could not feel the low tunes. I found out if you wanted to enjoy music with the Woojer vest, it was best to make a playlist of bass tunes. This gave you a feeling as being in a disco. My conclusion: should you add to your wish list, or just go ahead and buy it? Well, if you are a heavy gamer, I would say yes, go ahead and buy it. As of now, it's on sales for $299 from $400 plus. Also, if you are one of those who can't hear sound very well, or at all, then wearing the Woojer vest will be very beneficial. It will allow you to feel the game and music. This is a game changer indeed. Leave your thoughts and comments below. And if you would like to see more of these type of videos or my upcoming reviews, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified once the video is up. Thank you. See you in the next one.